So Apple announced 3 new watches today: the Apple Watch Series 8, a new SE, and the star of the show, the Ultra. The Ultra is 49 millimeters, which means it's really big, but it's also made out of a lightweight titanium. It's aimed at people who love the outdoors, so it's super rugged, super durable, and there's just a lot of new design elements meant to help with that. There's a new action button that you can program, as well as a redesigned digital crown and a button guard. If you flip the digital crown, it also switches the screen to a night mode that's easier to read at night. So I was actually quite surprised when I was wearing the Ultra on my wrist. It was a lot lighter than I was expecting, though at 49 millimeters, it's a big boy. Apple's also improved battery life, so it lasts 36 hours with normal usage, but if you go into low power mode, it'll go up to 60 hours, which is super long for any Apple Watch that we've ever seen so far. All in all, I'm actually a little impressed because they've also added multi-band GPS. That's something you only see on Garmin and Coros watches at the moment, and it's something that I wasn't expecting from Apple. That's big news for trail runners and hikers because it means that even if in your areas where there's GPS dead zones, you should be able to get an accurate position. It also has an 86 decibel alarm siren thing, so you can alert others to your location if you're injured. Plus, it also has track back capabilities, so you can go back the way you came. There's also a bunch of features if you like swimming. It actually acts as a dive computer up to 40 meters. And I guess that means it's pretty waterproof. So the Ultra comes in one size and all models have cellular capability. It starts at $799 and it has 3 new bands: an alpine band, a trail band, and an ocean band, and they're for whichever activities you like to do. Hiking, swimming, running, you name it. The Apple Watch Ultra is available for pre-order and it's expected to ship September 23rd. So there weren't as many changes for the Series 8 and the new SE. With the Series 8, the main changes you're getting are a new temperature sensor, which can help with retrospective ovulation tracking, and then there's also crash detection. So if you're in a car accident, the Series 8 will be able to call emergency services for you. The SE basically has a new chip. It has the same sensors as the Series 8 does, which is a big computing upgrade. Other than that, there's not much of a difference. It does get crash detection, and the back actually matches the front now, so cool. Oh, and it's $30 cheaper, which means the SE now starts at $249 or $299 if you want cellular connectivity. Meanwhile, the Series 8 starts at $399 for GPS only and $499 if you want cellular. Both are available for pre-order starting today and expect to ship September 16th. Whoop-de-doop-de, shoopity-scoopity, poopity-doopity. I'm Kanye.
We got our end card.
Yay.
All right.